everybody, happy New Year's everybody. So welcome to my channel. Today I'll be going to truck show that's keeping in Clarendon, guys. It's gonna be Shell, you know, see a big truck out there and Tago Shell. There's no say Tago Shell. You see, we still have flu. So I'm gonna end the intro from now, but keep on watching this video. It's gonna be a video you will remember. So bye guys, I'll see you in a few. Just get my hand, but I'm going to go inside to show you guys what's going on, alright? Inside everybody, so I'm going to show you guys what's going on inside the truck, so come with me guys. Oh my god. Over here, so trucks and we have more trucks over here also. Let's go to the guys. I'm up at the trophy station. Right here, so. Trophy station right here. And also later on, I'm here so I'm going to go on. Yeah. Oh my god, watch something right now. I hope you guys see this perfectly right now. The trout? Yeah. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh my god. From here, the best been known with it on the bike. Straight surface. Yes, yes. All right. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see all the trucks that is here.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah, guys. So the next one now is Donna. Started singing also. Thank you. So sweet, guys. Wow.
It is about the top 2022, leading up to 2023. You didn't say good momentum. And I'm going to go appearance and bring all the kids.
That's Big Dog, guys. To have train service.
For this surprise.
And then drinker as well.
Big the security team. Big the medical recognition. This is our guard out from the front page. See you.
You don't want me nice?
You know what I mean?
Ready, driver?
Yes.
And that's the
I want a
driver,
red
guys.
one.
The red one? Oh,
Big
that's
person.
Shepherd. Shepherd.
You understand? People that can sit in some
Why you going to
you know what I mean? And everyone,
This is great services, guys. Not sure which cars, but it's very beautiful.
Combination. You know what I mean? You don't know what
Very
British
clean, like this.
it's up with cleanness. I remember they come over, they can cash on you. Price and surprises, see me. You don't know if they chop them for the kids there. See me, you don't know. They go on some birds and see me.
This one doesn't have a
Infinity
name,
team there.
but
They some team there. They know the
oh,
song
it's
play
retro.
out. So that's
Retro,
it.
guys.
You understand? I don't know. But when the people that come out of them, you don't know who came to surprise. You don't know the total team there. You understand? You don't know. You don't know the phenomenon of being a referee. Alright, you don't know the team. You don't know the committee.
That's the retro.
You don't know the party. You understand? You don't know the top of the table. See, you don't know somebody who sign up right away.
Alright, so
I check the way up to for them to win the body, but speak up to the blue tender. So you can't miss.
I'll read
So when you go up
you.
there and sign up for your raffle, then you could be a winner of a bucket of 50W40. You know what I mean? See, but right now, let's just go and entertain the team in there. And that's what see the penalty settings. See, I can't pick up.
So
You don't get it from. So, some from senior. That's junkers. See, you don't know the stuff on there. See, you don't know the judge there. You don't know the name of the you understand? You know what I mean? Big up the people who want to create this section. Everything alright. See, it's a good look.
alright, this is Triumph Transit.
Don't miss it so many
Don't know which car is exactly.
Top can British up.
Yeah.
First one to the top there, man.
Alright.
Don't be terrible.
Thank you, guys.
First one team there. Big, first one big. Big guys and the team good. See, so AJ versus 3 months on Sunday.
If the car broke down, you can call them.
Remember, check out the tank. We don't want to keep the team there. Don't want to do a couple times, you don't want to do the circuits. Next, you'll sign up with the referee.
Alright, so last guys. represent, represent. Hi. Your truck? Your truck?
Of course.
Amiri?
25 years old.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So you're from here? No, I'm from Belfield. Yeah.
Again.
Alright, so let's continue scrolling, guys. That was a waste of my time, but let's continue scrolling. So we have east side. Yeah. We'll give you guys a tour. Oh, we have a tractor here. Hi, give me 1 second. Yeah. Food truck. I don't know if that's a part of the activity or so I just gave you guys a tour of the place and I don't know. So I'm gonna show you guys an extractor run. We're back at the front, guys. We have an extractor here. Start it out, I can see it. Yeah, there's a rental right here. I hope you guys are clearly and everything. So, tractor right here. I am going to go into the amusement park to go and enjoy myself right now. I just see my mom from the eat. Very beautiful. Yeah. Seriously. Alright, so now I'm in the kiddies corner where they have like bull. Then we have go-kart, we have bouncer boat, we also have face painting going on in the back and other stuff going on over here, alright? And my hand is very tired right now. Alright, so I was actually going to interview some people, but we're going to talk to somebody already, and as we talk interview them can't look there and let's talk about men. So I'm not going to interview nobody, but I'm going to walk up and down and show people the shop and then something there. So, I don't know, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah. So many people in my video. If you get a close up of the engine.
There. So you know, something more about infinity. They don't know go and entertain. They don't know the truth.